A sculpted white shell encases the PlayStation 5, its sweeping curves engineered to channel air and capture dust before it can reach the heart of the system. As the housing glides away, the meticulously planned internals are revealed, every vent, every edge, a silent sentinel for system longevity. On-screen text appears, outer shell, designed for airflow. Side vents trap dust for easy cleaning. A slow pan unveils the massive cooling fan, its broad blades drawing cool air through the chassis. The airflow path is highlighted, snaking past a sprawling heatsink, fins and copper pipes absorbing and dispersing heat. Cooling system, oversized fan and heatsink ensure stable temperatures even under heavy load, the overlay reads. The camera lingers on the careful separation of the cooling chamber from sensitive electronics, a testament to thermal engineering. Peering deeper, the motherboard emerges, traces of copper and silicon converging on the custom APU, a compact powerhouse. Here, a shimmering pool of liquid metal sits atop the chip, its surface reflecting the intricate dance of electrons below. Liquid metal thermal interface, superior conductivity allows for efficient heat transfer away from the APU, the text explains. This is a leap beyond traditional thermal paste, a whisper of cutting-edge alchemy. The journey concludes with a glance at the power supply, tucked for optimal weight distribution, and the expandable storage bay, ready for future upgrades. Subtle overlays note, modular layout protects vital components and allows for seamless expansion. As the final shot fades, a quiet thought lingers, one small change here prevents a massive overheating problem.